Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Poker Table. Number 5, BBO Poker Nighthawk Poker Table for 8 players. Versatile 8-player poker table with scratch-resistant, premium black gloss finish. Solid oak clawfoot pedestal, removable playing surface for quick changes. Easy to clean faux leather vinyl armrest, black gloss racetrack with built-in chip tray. Includes 8 4-inch stainless steel cup holders. Measures 55 inches in diameter, optional matching dining top available, sold separately. Number 4, IDS Home 73 inches 8-player foldable poker table. 8-player position with Texas Hold'em layout, vibrantly designated, perfect for tournaments and home games. Unfolded dimensions, 73 x 35 inches wide by 30 inches high. Comfortable padded rails with built-in cup holders design keep the game. Heavy-duty steel folding legs ensure stability while retaining mobility. Also, you can use this versatile table for all of your favorite card and board games. Number 3, BBO Poker Ultimate Folding Poker Table 4. Portable tournament poker table seats up to 10 players. Locking metal legs fold easily for transport, reinforced wood frame. Easy to clean faux leather vinyl armrest can be removed for quick surface upgrades. Scratch-resistant laminate racetrack with 10 3-inch stainless steel cup holders, 2.5-inch opening. Measures 92 by 44 by 30 inches, LXWXH. Number 2, Porticus Poker Combination Folding Poker Table. Tri-fold table transforms any table into a great poker table or table for other card or casino games. Made of solid MDF frame and soft PU material, which is durable and comfortable to touch. 10 players seats with individual built-in cup holder at padded cushioned rail provide players. Tri-folding feature is easy, unfolds and lies flat on any surface, saving space for storing. Table size, 84 inches LX 42 inches WX 1.5 inches H, folded size, 28 inches LX 42 WX 4.2 H, weight. Number 1, Barrington Texas Hold'em Poker Table for 10 players. 10-player positions with Texas Hold'em layout, vibrantly designated on our iconic blue and black felt surface. Play like the pros with this casino-style poker table by Barrington. The felt cover features Texas Hold'em appointments. Compact portability lets you take the action to your friends' homes. This durable table padded rails let players comfortably rest their forearms on the table during play. A 30-day money-back guarantee ensures your satisfaction. If you're not delighted,